Listening is giving. Listening is giving. To listen is to give. Listening is giving. Listening is giving. To listen is to give. And when you listen with your eyes, you see. When you listen with your ears, you hear. When you listen with your body, you jump. When you listen with your heart, you love. Oh, listening is giving. Listening is giving. To listen is to give. Hi, friends. How do you feel today? I feel grateful to be together again in the barn studio. It's raining outside. And though I love the rain, I do hope it stops raining before our big concert today. We plan to have the concert at the Science and Nature Center by the lake, and it's planned to be outside. I have something for you to see. Did you notice something shiny when I walked in today? Let's see what there is to see in the satchel. This is a little metal bowl that I borrowed from the farm kitchen. And this is a little carved wooden spoon carved by one of the kiddos from the farm. Let's turn these things into something new. Now they're instruments. Do you ever turn things at your house into instruments? We could. Sounds a little bit like the rain on the metal roof of the barn studio. It sounds like it's raining even harder now. What was that sound? Did you hear that sound? Let's listen with our ears together. I heard it again. Did you? I wonder what could be making that sound. Let's ask a good friend for help. Friends, it's Wishing Well. Hi, Wishing Well. How do you feel today? How do we feel? We feel curious. We heard a mysterious sound. Would you listen with us, Wishing Well? Okay. I think we found it. It appears we have a leak in the barn studio roof. And now I have water on my nose and my chin. We should use something to catch this water. What could we use? Right. We can turn our instrument back into a little metal bowl. There. Now the water will fall into our metal bowl. I like the sound. Do you hear how it's changed? And it's going faster now. Must really be coming down out there. But I like that rhythm. Wishing Well, would you like to sing with the rhythm of the rain? Okay. Beautiful. And we could sing too. We could sing something like, hello little raindrop, welcome to the studio. We're so glad you're here now, falling in our little bowl. I wonder where it came from, I wonder where you'll go. I wanna see what you see, and flow like you flow, and flow like you. Oh, I don't hear the sound anymore. I think it stopped raining. This is wonderful. We can have the big concert outside after all. I think a lot of rain fell out there, and we only caught a few drops. I wonder where all that rain came from and where it goes after it falls. I wish we could go where the water goes. I wish. Wishing well, could we make a wish today? We can. Me, 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 me. Well, well, wishing well. Here we are together again. Well, well, wishing well. Let's take the time to wish, my friends. Okay, we can make our wish. But what will we use to wish? Of course, we can turn our little bowl of water now into our wish. Okay, we can place our little bowl of water in Wishing Well's bucket to make our wish. We could sing our wishing song. We could sing something like, me, 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 me. We wish, we wish, we wish, we wish, we wish. We wish, we wish, we wish, we wish, we wish. What's this wishing well? I see two little somethings. A little felt rain cloud and a little felt raindrop. Is this a clue wishing well? It is a clue. And I wonder what this clue means. Oh, I heard a knock on the door. Let's go see who it is. Come on in.
Oh, hi, Mr. Chris.
Elizabeth, hi. How do you feel today?
Oh, I'm feeling rushed and a little bit anxious.
Come in, come in. Set your stuff down.
Thank you. Oh, hi, Wishing Well. Hi, friends. Mr. Chris, it has finally stopped raining outside, and now I need to rush to the Science and Nature Center with all the supplies we need for the big concert. And I have a question, but I've forgotten what it is.
Oh, that's okay, Elizabeth. Maybe we could help you remember.
Okay.
Okay, big concert.
Yep.
Supplies.
Yep.
Water.
Oh, water. That's it. Today's concert is going to be a celebration of water. And I still can't remember.
That's okay. You helped me remember something.
Good.
We have a water question. Could we ask you?
Sure, ask away.
Okay. When a raindrop falls from a cloud, where does it go from there?
Oh, great question, friends. And one with many answers. Could I show you where the water goes?
Sure. We could use our felt board.
Perfect.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. So one place where a raindrop might fall from the cloud is down on the top of the mountain. That's the summit. From there, it might soak into the ground, the soil, or it might join other raindrops to create a stream. The stream flows down the mountain and joins other streams here and here to form an even bigger stream of water called a river. And then the river flows down to the very lowest part of the land to create a lake.
Like the lake by the Science and Nature Center.
That's right.
This could be our Science and Nature Center.
Yes.
Elizabeth, do you think we could go where the water goes?
I do. All you need to do is hike to the top of the mountain, listen with your eyes and your ears to find the stream, follow the stream to find the river, and then follow the river down to find the lake.
Amazing. Okay, friends, would you like to go where the water goes? Elizabeth, if some of our friends are a bit nervous, what could we do?
Well, Mr. Chris, when I feel nervous, sometimes I ask a friend for help. A friend who feels brave can help me feel brave. I just happen to have a friend I could call who could help you on your adventure. She's a water guide. Would you like that?
We would love that. Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure. Now, I must be on my way. Oh, I just remembered, guitar. Could I borrow guitar to lend to our guest musician for the big concert?
Of course.
Oh, good. Thank you.
I'll get it right now.
All right.
Here you go, Elizabeth.
Thank you. Bye, wishing well. See you soon, friends. See you soon, Mr. Chris.
See you soon. I'll get the door for you.
Thank you.
Okay, friends. Are you ready to go on our big adventure? All right. Wait, I nearly forgot. There you go. Now our little seed has water, and we're ready to go where the water goes. See you soon, wishing well. Let's go. Here we are, friends, at our cherished state park, and our hike begins at the bottom of a beautiful mountain. And there's only one way forward from here, and that's up. Let's go meet a new friend at the summit. Here we go hiking up the mountain. Here we go hiking up the hill. Here we go hiking up the mountain. Here we go hiking further still. Here we go hiking up the mountain. Here we go hiking up the hill. Here we go hiking up the mountain. Here we go hiking further still. And the view from up here is beautiful. The view from up here is grand. With you up here is wonderful. Beautiful, wonderful land. Wow.
Hello, are you Mr. Chris?
Hi, I am. And these are my friends.
Hi friends, my name's Lily. I love meeting new friends.
We do too, and it's wonderful to meet you. Our mutual friend Elizabeth said that you could help us go where the water goes.
Yes, I can and I will. We're at the perfect starting point for our adventure right here too. Water falls from the clouds and reaches the summit of the mountain first. And from here it soaks into the soil or runs across its surface, finding its way to a stream.
And how do we find our way to a stream?
We can listen. We can listen with our eyes to see if there's a stream nearby. We can close our eyes and listen with our ears for the sound of running water. We can even listen with our noses to smell water.
You can smell water?
Yes, I learned as a part of my water guide training that wet soil and dry soil smell different, and a stream makes the ground that it runs over wet.
Incredible. Okay, we can try to listen with our eyes to see a stream, to listen with our ears to hear running water, and even to listen with our noses to smell the water. Let's listen first with our ears. Do you hear the sound of running water? Let's listen with our noses. I think I might smell water this way.
Ooh, let's go see. Come on. We did it! Nice work listening, friends. And Mr. Chris, see how the moss channels the water down this pathway we call a stream?
I do, and it's beautiful. Lily, could we see where the water goes?
Yes, let's see where it takes us.
Okay.
You can see here that the water we saw trickling down the moss has joined other tiny droplets to form a wider stream. We can keep following the stream to see where it joins other streams and forms a river.
Okay.
Let's go.
Is this the river, Lily?
It is. Many streams came together to form this river, and now all of this water is heading toward the lowest point on the land to form a lake.
It is so beautiful here.
I agree, and so are the numerous creatures who call this river home.
That's right. So many creatures call the river home. Thank you, river creatures, for letting us visit your home. We promise to take very, very good care of it while we're here.
Mr. Chris, friends, would you like to take the river all the way to the lake?
We would love to. Which way?
I'll show you. I have a surprise. Come on.
A boat?
Yes, this boat is called a kayak, and if you put the life jacket on, you can take this kayak all the way to the lake.
Okay. All right, we're ready to take the kayak all the way down the river to the lake and from there to the Science and Nature Center. Thank you, Lily. Would you like to meet us at the big concert at the Science and Nature Center?
Yes, I'd love to. Thank you, Mr. Chris.
Well, you're welcome, and we'll see you there.
Yeah.
Okay, friends, here we go. See you soon, Lily.
See ya. Enjoy your adventure to the lake.
Going down the river, floating along without a care. Going down the river, ooh. Going down the river, having fun while the friends are near. Going down the river, ooh. We're swimming like fish, swim. Swimming with their fins, swimming with their fishy fins. Hopping like frogs, hop. Hopping like frogs, hop. Now we're going down the river, and it wouldn't be the same if you were not here. Going down the river, ooh. Friends, we made it. We followed the water all the way to the lake. Now, I wonder where the water goes from here. Maybe that's a question for another day. For it's almost time for the big concert. Let's paddle all the way to the Science and Nature Center. Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Chris.
Elizabeth.
Oh, so good to see you. The Mr. Chris and Friends Band is already inside, and the special musical guests, they're so thankful for the guitar that you let them borrow. And you're just in time to check in with a few kiddos before the big concert.
Perfect. Thank you, Elizabeth. And I think I know just the song to sing for our celebration of water. Okay, friends, let's go check in with some kiddos and then the big concert. Let's go. Where does rain come from?
The sky. right?
When a raindrop falls from a cloud, where does it go from there?
Onto the ground.
And then where?
Into the earth.
Into the earth, so it soaks in. What do fish need to survive? What do they need to live?
Water.
They do. How can we take care of the creatures in our waterways?
Not throw trash. Be mindful about what you put in the garbage. And if you're a kid, ask a grown-up, does this go in the trash or not? So you don't pollute the lakes and oceans.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Calvin.
You're welcome.
You ready for the big concert?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks. Thank you again to Kerubo, Michael, Peter, Lily, Tyler, and Caleb. A big round of applause for everyone today. Wandering Wanda walked out her door, looked up with a smile at the blue sky. The sunshine warmed her skin and she thought, what a wonderful day for a walk. So she started out, and a little ways down the street she noticed the ground was dry, and the plants in her neighbor's garden looked thirsty. So she stopped and said,
I wish it could rain, I wish it could rain all day.
and what do you know? The gray clouds came and they hovered above her. 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 And then the air grew thick with moisture. It felt like swimming in an oyster, but still not a drop of rain. The air grew thick with humidity. Wanda was getting really sweaty, but still not a drop of rain. So she threw up her hands and said, clouds, let go of the rain. She threw up her hands and said, clouds, let go of the rain. She threw up her hands and said, clouds, let go of the rain. She threw up her hands and said, clouds, let go of the rain. Do you hear what I hear?
Raindrops fell, raindrops, the raindrops fell.
The raindrops, the raindrops fell, the raindrops, the raindrops fell, the raindrops, the raindrops fell. The raindrops, the raindrops fell, the raindrops, the raindrops fell, the raindrops, the raindrops fell. Wanda walked back to her door, looked up with a smile at the gray sky. The raindrops cooled her skin and she thought, what a wonderful day for a walk. Hi, wishing well. Oh, my wishing well. What an amazing adventure we went on today. We hiked to the summit of a mountain, and we met a new friend there and followed the water all the way back down, through a stream, a river, and a lake. And the big concert at the Science and Nature Center, it was magical. And thank you for your clue, Wishing Well. I'll go grab the felt cloud and raindrop so we can place them in your bucket. And we can sing. Me, 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 me. We wished, we wished, we wished, we wished, we wished. We wished and made our wish come true. What's this, Wishing Well? A memory. A little raindrop. Thank you, Wishing Well. And we'll see you next time, Wishing Well. Deal. We'll hang our memory right by the door so that every time we walk in, we can remember our time together. And it won't be long until we see each other again. Well, I love singing goodbye. Let me tell you why. For every time we sing goodbye, it means it won't be long until we sing hello again. So until then, friends, goodbye. See you later. Goodbye. Farewell. Goodbye. Adios. Goodbye, Kwaheri. And may we always cherish what we've had. And then next time, we'll play again. See you next time, friends.